Assalamualaikum, santai bersama Nanai. Hai kawan-kawan, nama saya Rada. Dan ini adik saya Satya. Dan ini Rukoyah. Adik kita orang. Hai. Hai. Kami bersama Nanai, nenek kami.
Assalamualaikum cucu-cucu semua. Harap semua sihat dan ceria. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Masih ingat lagi video yang lepas?
Yeah.
Nah, ini Nana tunjukkan flashcard yang telah siap kita buat. Hari ini kita sambung huruf N hingga Z. Bagaimana cucu-cucu di luar? Nanai harap telah bersedia. Okey, mulakan buatkan huruf N. Buat N dulu. Macam mana tunjuk pada kawan-kawan N? How you write N? Up and down. Okay, write nicely. Write clearly, very good. And then you can draw. What stands for N?
I know, like nose.
N, nose, very good. You can draw nose. Some more N, nest, very good. Very good. Okay. Ingat cucu-cucu, gunakan semula kotak-kotak tidak digunakan agar kita tidak membazir. Betul tak Rauda dan Sadia?
Betul.
Ya, kita tidak membazir ya. Tetapi bagi yang tidak ada kotak, jangan risau. Gunakan kertas dari buku latihan yang lama. Tengok, Rukoyah pun pandai buat. Rukoyah, berapa umur Rukoyah? 2 tahun. Sebut? 2 tahun. Okey.
Siap.
Dah siap? Warnakan ya. Warnakan supaya lebih menarik ya.
Boleh tak saya potong?
Boleh potong, boleh teruskan potong ya. Jangan lupa cucu-cucu Nana ya. Sambil itu kita menyebut huruf yang kita tulis. Apa yang kakak tulis hari ini?
N.
Huruf N. How do you pronounce N?
Nah.
N. N. Say N. N. Sadia? N. Ya. Okey, kita ingatkan ya. Kita menulis supaya kita mengingati apa yang kita pelajari. Okey, cucu-cucu semua, kita boleh berhenti di sini sementara ni untuk what we want to do now.
Oh.
We want to do reading. Our what is the sound? Sound of alphabet. Again, say it. Sound of alphabet. We continue from the
N.
letter N. 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 N for nose. Where's your nose? Touch your nose. Okay, very good. Okay. After N. O. How do you pronounce O? Oh. O. O. O for
Oval.
oval. Very good. O. 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 Oval.
Oval.
P.
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 P for
Pencil.
P for. You have to pronounce P
P.
for
For
pencil.
pencil.
Okay. The next one. Q. Q. Qu. Q. Qu. Qu for
Water.
quarter. Very good. Qu for quarter. Dalam bahasa Malaysia dia apa quarter? Suku. Suku. Kalau dia ada Rauda ada kertas macam ni. Macam mana ni quarter? That means kita potongkan dia jadi 4. Kalau kita ambil di satu bahagian jadi quarter. Faham tak ni? Kalau kata you got a big cake macam ni. A big cake. Okay, you cut into macam like this. 4. 1. That means you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You take 1. Bahagian yang dah potong tu become quarter. What's that?
That is 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, quarter. What is that?
Quarter.
Okay. After that, R. R for
Ribbon.
ribbon. Very good.
Rabbit.
Do you like to wear ribbon on your hair?
Yeah.
It looks so beautiful. Yeah, very good. Okay. S.
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 S for what?
7.
7. Can you show me your finger? 7.
Oh.
7. Very good. 7. Okay. T. 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 T for top. What is top? The top is spinning. Top di sini maksud dia ialah spinning tu ialah gasing ya. Apa dia? Gasing. Apa dia? Gasing kan? Gasing kan? Gasing. Ya, very good ya.
Saya pernah tengok Upin Gasing.
Yes, very good. After that, what letter is this? U.
Umbrella.
Very good. U. Pronounce first. U. U. For umbrella. When do you use umbrella?
When it's rain.
Yeah, very good. When it's raining. V. V for van. The man is driving a van. Very good. Okay. W. W. W for window. Okay, open the window. Very good.
Shut the window.
Shut the window. Very good, Sadia. Okay, very good. X. X-ray. You know what is X-ray?
Yeah.
Okay, kita pergi hospital kan, dia ambil tangkap gambar tu untuk menengok tulang kita ya. Very good. Y. You have to pronounce first. Y. Yeah. Y. Yeah. Yolk. Egg yolk. What is the meaning of egg yolk?
I know it.
What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good, Sadia. Very good. Egg yolk. Kakak, do you like? Who like to eat egg yolk? Very nice, delicious. Okay. Z. For zip. Very good. Do you have zip on your dress?
Yeah,
Behind. Very good.
behind me.
Again, can you pronounce together? N. O. People. Q. S. U. W. X. Y. Z. Very good. Now you can continue your work.
I'm done.
Jangan lupa subscribe untuk mengenal dan membaca konsonan blend PL, Pearl dan GL, Girl. Ya, cucu-cucu semua. Assalamualaikum. Sehingga kita berjumpa lagi. Jaga diri.
Bye.
Bye kawan.